Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're exploring how to grow russet potatoes in containers. We'll discuss the best container sizes and materials, and show you how to layer soil and manage water requirements for optimal growth. Let's get started. Choosing the right container is crucial for growing healthy potatoes. Use containers that are at least 15 to 20 gallons in size. Containers made from plastic, fabric, or wood are good options. Ensure they have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Properly preparing your container is key to healthy potato growth. Ensure your container has adequate drainage holes. Add a layer of gravel or small stones at the bottom to improve drainage. Use a well-draining, nutrient-rich soil mix. Layering the soil correctly helps potatoes grow well in containers. First, add about 4 to 6 inches of soil mix to the bottom of the container. Next, place the seed potatoes with the eyes facing up, spacing them about 6 to 8 inches apart. Then, add another 4 to 6 inches of soil mix over the potatoes. As the plants grow, continue to add soil, covering the stems and leaving the top leaves exposed. Managing water in containers is essential for healthy growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply. Place the container in a sunny spot where the plants can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Regularly check for pests and diseases. Growing russet potatoes in containers is a great way to enjoy fresh potatoes, even in small spaces. Follow these steps for the best results and a bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!